And it's actually a pretty darn gloomy and windy day out here, so I won't be able to work on the electric radio arm saw here. So got some other projects in the works, like this right here. Okay, so years ago I picked this unit up at a garage sale for, I think it was 25 bucks or something like that. Wasn't that much, but I never really had a use for it because didn't have a spigot, of course. Well, got one now. So how these work is you just loosen these up, off, and then you tighten it back on, hand tight. Now this right here, little plastic thing, remember to take it and put it on the inside, not the outside, otherwise you might have some leaking going on. And by the way, if it does leak pretty good, just silicone the crap out of it, and then you know it won't be leaking, but it'll also never want to come off, so that'll be great. All right, let's get started. Now you just, you know, give her everything until, you know, your hand here wants to fall off. There we go. And there we go. Not bad. Right in center. Good to go. Alright, that's all for this episode. So that's how you install a faucet on a utility sink. So that's good. Now the only question is where to put it, and also the plumbing, and that'll be on the next episode. So if you would please hit the subscribe button, if you would please hit the thumbs up and hit the notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright, later.